Welcome back, viewers. In this video we will display products and we will use bootstrap for the designing. So let's start. First of all, I will navigate to my project folder, and this is in desktop, so we can go to CD in desktop, and then inside the desktop the name of my project is my shop. Then I will CD to my shop, that's the name of my project. This will be my shop, and then here I will open first VS Code, and now you can see my VS Code is open. I'll just hide it and I will just give it my virtual environment, but I don't need to use it now, just activate it. So source my env, then bin, then activate, and here I will just run the program python run.py, and you can see our program is running already. If I go here now to localhost, you can see this is home page, and now let's start, and then come to here in the product, then route of product. Here you can see this is our home page. First of all, I will make here one inside of the folder of products, so new, then I will give it name of index.html. So now this is created, and I will do here first I have to bring my layout and extends inside the quotation, single quote or double quote, doesn't matter, layout.html, and then I will use that block, and for the block we have block content, and then I will end that block content here in block, and if you want you can use also content, then you will know which block is being end, and otherwise you can do in block only, there will be no problem. So now what I have to do, I will just make one container here, and this container will be for the navbar. Comment here, navbar starts line like this, and I will copy and paste it here, navbar ends. So now I will go to bootstrap and get started quickly, and then here to component and navbar. I will copy this first navbar from here, you can see, and I will copy and paste it here between these comments. So now we have this navbar. I don't need this active, I just want to make navbar to home, and other links I will change later, and this one I will just give slash, it will directly go to the home. I should have made navbar inside the container, so I will just give the class of container to navbar. I just cut and paste this div after the navbar. Then here I will do the same container for the others, and inside the container I will give of row, and then I will give the column of md3. This will be the column. Here inside the md3 I will make column of card, and then class of card body, and after card body I will give another div. This will be card underscore footer, and here we just need these two classes, card body and card footer. Inside card footer I will give one a tag. I will give just now for the moment one hashtag, then class of left, and then btn, btn sm, and btn primary, and here at the name I will give details. I will just copy a tag, and I will give this one should float right. I will change this one float to right. Color of button should be warning. The name I will change it to add to cart, and I will save it, and inside cart here I will give one image tag, and this will be the image. We done this one, we will come back it to later, and now just we have to go to in the route. You see this is the route. I will remove these words we don't need now. Just I will write return and render template. The template here is inside this products folder. Inside the products folder is index.html, and then we will query the record from the table. And here just I will give the variable of products equal to add product dot query, and this will be filter. Just copy this part, filter add product to stock greater than 0. If we have in stock greater than 0, then that product will be displayed, otherwise it will be not displayed. So now we done from here. In the route we don't need anything, and now come to back here in index.html. After row I will give here that loop. I will start here is for loop for product in products. Then after this column, so I will end for. This for is in from here. Now let's see. You can see now the product, and we don't have name. I will come to in body. I will give here one h5. I will give it one class of text center, and then here inside the h5 I will display the product name. This will be product dot name. Then down I will write one p, and this p also will be class of text center, and inside this p I will display the price, product dot price. And let's see what we see here. And you can see product price and the name of our products. Give the name here price, and give it $, so you can see the $, and now display image with it. We will use URL for and static. Then after static here will be file name. So file name is equal to, our file name is image slash, and after that quotation I will give that name of our image which come from database, product dot image underscore 1. This is the name of our image. I will, for the alt I will pass this the name of product. So now save the program and let's see how it's looking. Not bad. So what to do now, I will give it some margin top 3, and so you can see from top now we have small gap. And for the image I will give one class here. The class will be card img top. So here then our image will be little bit arranged. You can see here our images are not that good. So now you see still this image is small and some are very big, making this one beautiful. I will just give this height of the image, I'll just make them 200, so no image will cross 200. Small image will be also 200. So now you can see the image and everything are looking beautiful. But footer is not working and these words are in center. Maybe there is some spelling mistake or something. Let's see. And yeah, this one should be center and here should be card footer. And let's see now how our things are working. Now I guess everything is working. So now I will just bring that discount, so then we will close this chapter. So for the discount I will give condition if product dot discount is greater than 0, and then we can display the discount, otherwise we cannot display. And here I will just write p, I will just write p tag, and then I will simply end that if end, if the end side is p, I will write product dot discount, and yeah, this should be discount. And now you can see if the product has a discount, this will be displayed here, otherwise we will see nothing. And now you see 15, 2 and 10. But this is not a good way. We can do, here we write just discount, and then we will give here percentage, and now you can see it is looking better than before. But still it's not good, and this product has no discount, and this product has also no discount. So I will make it little bit beautiful. I will give it CSS, inline CSS, so it will be little bit more easy, and I don't want to create CSS for this, only for this one. So now I will do for it text underscore shadow, and I will give it 1px, 1px, 2px, and color will be black, and this is the color of black. And then I will make this one a little bit bigger. This should be text 4, and then I will just give them color here. So color should be red, and the red give F00. This is the red color, and then we have to do, just you can see here, now it's looking like this, but still it's not good. Give another property of CSS. This is transform, and this transform I will do the rotate. I will rotate it minus 15 DEG. This is minus 15 degree, and now you see this is rotated minus 15 degree. Then I will bring them here in center. So for bringing them in center, I will use another, this will be position. First we will give it position of absolute, and then I will bring them top to top. I will make it 10%, and then left I will make it 20%, and then we check if it is displayed correctly or not. So now you can see it is displaying correctly. So maybe top 10% is less, so I will make this one also 20% from top and 20% from right. So for me it's looking beautiful and nice, and maybe you guys can work better than me and make your design very beautiful. Thank you very much. That's all for this video. See you in next video. Take care. Bye bye.